Hello, everyone. My name is Ishani, and I'm a student recruitment officer for undergraduate programs at the University of Manitoba. Established in 1877, the University of Manitoba is Western Canada's first university and the largest and only research-intensive university in the province of Manitoba. The UM is one of Canada's top research institutions and is world-ranked on both QS and Times Higher Education rankings. Our vibrant and diverse community is made up of over 31,000 students studying in more than 100 academic programs and more than 100 engaged learning, internship, co-op, and exchange opportunities. We're excited to attend the Canam Fair to tell you more about the University of Manitoba and what we have to offer. Canam is a trusted partner with the UM. They're professional and very committed to help you during this journey. At the Canam Fair, you will get a chance to meet and consult with one of our UM representatives who can walk you through the admission process and can guide you of the opportunities available at the university that can simply change your life for better. Please make sure to come check out our booth at the fair. In case you are unable to visit in person, you could connect with a representative on the virtual format in room number 50 from 7th to 18th September on a date and time slot that is convenient to you. We look forward to welcoming you to our campus soon.